come true. Right? The dream came true. Hello Khasi people, Meghalaya Kumno Pilong Paralog. This is your African boy Gabs Gabi, and today we have new music video, guys, from MEI Pa. MEI Pa, that is the owner of the channel, guys. It's my first time checking their music, and they have one music here by the title KHANA LYNDET official music video starring Marabang, guys. You all know Marabang, one of the most famous actor in Meghalaya, guys. Yeah, my favorite also, guys. If it is your first time here, kindly join the African family and let's go. KHANA LYNDET. What does it mean by KHANA? KHANA
Ngapuson marwe jaruban yo yaka jingsok hakendau tela bati uta kumkano kadur basyong halendet kataka kerteng kasur ngalayos nyulupa kumbadai kanong kisau surab
just now starting expressing about the guy.
Nga iswala kakam ngawat ha Instagram Kat badang loading ka FB marwing samriki ha 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 aduk kat no kata kagerteng hanuru kom open snow ka kana nika do not pacam ka jonga kabala sujiliu hadu kata
Jonga. The guy is lost somewhere. Bro, wake up, bro, brother. Hi. Coming 8 minutes video
shooting. Penban yo kadai kangai ngapen apsipang haki jing duai penban ngarmuny haka ki drama penskuny batka kumkano kadur basyong halendet kataka kerteng ni hanu karukom open snow kakana
this is all like a dream for him. This is not real, bro. Wake up. That is all dream for him. He's falling too much. He's even eating grass. This guy is crazy.
Hadin kisngi kia lapoi biang syaka kana Musim kabakya ukajat kasker ayu ita baru hari kilot yanga usim laka jom kahima kata kakerteng hang ni haperte kam dadon
satya I love the beat, guys. I love the beat of the music.
Ngipun seraya meha kato kamit me pertaruma snow hey hey ngala juk lempat ya kendu kadur basyong hadin kata kagerteng tikna de kanong putsin ran kabneng ngala syu pentingan ya ladi uf kagerteng bapentami ngala syok jing itsin ningkong haka hima
dream right? The dream came true.
Haki durio bakne, haki durio nakne ngan dikot kerteng kayong pa ngan penkot ya kilum ne penrengat ya kaum anoru kom ngan pentaba
nice big boy.
Tat haki ongkos nuni hak celang wa pada NC ngas ngau so men uka puri ni kabru kak
feel now.
lupa kumbadaikan
Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up.
Habeneng kadur ayu kabapi pong pibat kung kano karong pong
Sim ka kende.
sim ka kende
Sim ka
ya pi lada pim wan pau haka por mensni yodai kapuri man ne kata.
It's kind of a story, guys. It's kind of a story in this music video whereby Marabang is totally mind washed by the lady, and everything was like a dream for him. But I hope he made it at the end, guys, because there is no subtitle here. I couldn't understand it like fully, but I can still understand little bit on how he was expressing falling for the lady, and sometimes he think he's with the girl, but it happened like it's like a dream, guys. And I love the dress, like the old dress of the girl is really looking amazing, guys. And the decoration here, what they put here, I don't know how do you call it, girls. So it was looking amazing, like everything, she looked so good. And the beat also, the music beat is so nice. It feel like you're listening to all type of music, like those big those big guys, like the elders, when they sing with this type of music beat. But overall it's nice, something nice, guys. Thank you so much. You can tell me briefly about the story behind this, guys. So thank you so much. Love from Africa. Don't forget also support our channel, and in case you didn't join us, join the African family, and see you soon.